Alright, last time I was at 401 Games, you guys did not get to see my box break of my Panini Limited. I got itchy fingers, and I had to break it myself, so I nailed me a Ben Scrimmage Phenoms Gold Phenoms. It's out of numbered to 10. This is 6 of 10. I also nailed me my Sedin Auto. It's not a patch like my Lidstrom auto. That's my Lidstrom patch auto. And then I nailed me Kari Lethinen patch. So those are my hits that you guys didn't see. Those are my base cards to the set. Banner Seasons, Sedin, Road 2, Franzen, Brett Hall, Stanley Cobb, Jose Theodore, Nick Lidstrom, Team Tyler Seguin, and old Pat Verbeek there for the Hartford Whalers. So let's get right into it. Panini Limited 11-12. Now it does say we could get Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Gabriel Landeskog. So 89 bucks at 401 Games. 7 cards. Panini Limited. Here we go. Ooh, it feels a little good. Like I said, my last one I nailed that Ben Scribbins big auto Phenoms, gold Phenoms. So I just had to try again and see what I would nail. Oh, there's 3 big cards. 3 big cards. Woohoo! All right. I got a Patrick Kane. Patrick Kane. 188 of 299. We got a Matthias Tandemi, New Jersey Devils. Ooh, we got a Dennis Savard. That's, ooh, number 7 of 49. I wonder what's that about. 7 of 49. Oh, it's a Spotlight. Yeah, it's a Spotlight, red Spotlight, 7 of 49. We got my Denny Savard. So let's see what my first hit's gonna be. Adam LaRose, 29 of 299. Ooh, Phenoms, silver, Adam Larson. Phenoms, New Jersey Devils. Oh, retired numbers, Ron Francis, Carolina Hurricanes. We'll just hide that other hit. 49 of 99. Retired January 28th, 2006. Alright, what's my hit gonna be, guys? Is it gonna be a Leaf? I don't know. Oh, Charlie Simmer, Los Angeles Kings patch. John Tavares and Max Talbot, and 50 of 299 and 52 of 199. So get a Charlie Simmer, Los Angeles Kings Limited, and it's 12 of 25. So that's my limited break. Got my Phenoms, and I got my retired number. So I got my auto on my patch again. Ron Francis, can't go bad with him. He was a Toronto Maple Leafs there for a bit. So that's my box break for Panini Limited 11-12, and that's 29 of 299. Oh, so there's a lot of these. Not like my Scribbins. That one's at 6 of 10. That one's $2.99. Nice. Alright, thanks guys.